Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and taking the first concrete step. Open Access and the database you want to add data to. Make sure your Excel file is closed so Access can read it cleanly. In Excel, confirm the top row contains headers and each column uses consistent data types, text versus number, so Access maps fields correctly. Once done, go to Access's External Data tab and choose Excel. This starts the import wizard that connects the two files. Next, you work through the Import Spreadsheet wizard to control how data transfers. Choose the worksheet or named range and preview rows. This tells Access how to interpret columns. Then map each Excel column to an Access field, adjusting data types when necessary. Set a primary key or let Access create one, because keys control duplicates and joins later. Make a clear table name. Once mapping looks right, run the import and watch for type mismatch warnings, so you can correct them before moving on. Finish by running the import and immediately verifying the results. Check the record count and inspect a handful of rows to confirm values and formats. If Access flags errors or skips rows, return to Excel, correct data types, remove stray characters, or split combined columns and re-import. This resolves most problems. One key troubleshooting tip: if you see truncation or mismatch, ensure the longest text cell sets the field size, or import into a staging table first, then transform with queries.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.